one of the things that you'll notice when you look at this is that in the symbology properties of this DEM layer, I do have the hillshade effect turned on. And you can see the Z is 1 there. So it is turned on. And if I turn it off and apply that, you see what happens to our DEM. Okay, which is this. You may want to use it this way. I'm not saying don't use it this way. I'm just saying this is a setting that you can change here, and I am using it with the hillshade on. Okay, now with the hillshade on in the data frame properties, you can use the illumination tab in the data frame properties to change the azimuth of the false illumination that you have in the hillshade to whatever you want to choose. So you can see I'm moving the azimuth around. You can see more or less how it might change the hillshade here over here, and when I apply that, you can see that changes what we see here in this on this surface, right? So here I'll move it around to the northeast, and look, it completely changes that, right? And you can also change the altitude, the sun altitude or the sun elevation, and so again that's going to change the way that this looks. I'm going to bring it down real low here and apply it, and then I move it up higher and apply it, and you can see that that also changes it. Another thing we can do is we can change the contrast. Okay, so I'm going to lessen the contrast and apply it. You can see that changes what we have here. I'll lessen it even more and apply it. You can see it slightly changes that. So again, this is these are 3 combined controls in the data frame that we can use to change the view that we have. And so when you're looking at something, this is something where you may want to go and make these changes and look at it, get some different looks at it. Particularly the sun azimuth, that really changes the way that things look, because the sun or the source of illumination, in this case it's false illumination or artificial illumination, is coming from the direction that you choose. So if you have something that's aligned in a particular way and you want to see it in a different light, this is how you do that.